Hey, what's up? We just got this Tovala oven, and right now we're toasting some bread in there. But they included these cool recipe cards. So this is not the meals you have to order from them, but just stuff you can do on your own. So this one's roasted broccoli. Instructions are pretty easy. Break down heads of broccoli, toss in a mixture with salt, pepper, and other spice if you'd like. Covered tray with aluminum foil. I did that right here. Covered tray, sprayed it with some cooking spray so nothing sticks. And as soon as this toast is done, we'll get it in the oven, scan the card, and away we go. All right, so we're ready to go here. We're gonna transfer the broccoli onto this perfectly sized tray. Get this out of here. All right, let's get the broccoli in the oven. All right, now this is the first time I'm doing this. I'm super excited to see how this works. Hit the scan button. Ah, there we go. All right, it shows 11 minutes, 9 seconds. So we hit start. And now we wait. So excited, broccoli! All right now there's, this is right in the beginning of the cooking cycle. Still 10 minutes left. All right, 5 minutes and 15 seconds left. As you can see, the broccoli's cooking nicely. The oil's sizzling up there. Starting to get some brown around the edges. This is looking great. 10 seconds left here. Take a peek in the oven. Got a nice little browning on the edges. That looks really good. And it's done. Just like that. Wow, look at that sizzling. Look at that. Tovala comes with a free oven mitt, by the way. I mean, these look amazing. Gonna go ahead and try them. The reason I wanted to do this first is because the Tovala meals are a little bit expensive at about $12 each. So one of the main reasons I got this was not just for their food, which is great. And if you check the link below, I'll have another video that does show us making a Tovala meal, but wanted to see how it does cooking our own stuff, just as quick and easy. Broccoli looks like a major success, so we're gonna go ahead and eat it. Really perfect. You could taste the steam in the stalks. They're a little bit softer, and the heads of the broccoli have that browning on the edges. I mean, this is perfectly cooked. Absolute home run for the first meal. I wish I could take the credit, but I just scanned the card and pressed the button. All right, see you next time.